feel, sir, to be hired on the spot?
Happy, syempre, masaya. Like parang meron mga taong nakaka-appreciate sa'yo. Nakikita nila yung galing mo and yung potential mo. And eventually, pag nag-a-ask sila ng questions, kailangan kasi precise yung sagot mo. Hindi naman kailangan na talagang marami kang sasabihin. But even one sentence, as long as napasok yung sagot mo, ganun lagi. And you have to be very honest on your questions. Kung hindi mo alam, it's fine. Hindi mo kailangan mag-isip ng paiba-ibang sagot. Basta precise. Yun lang.
Ma'am, how do you feel na hired on the spot po?
Syempre po, parang overwhelmed po kasi first time ko po na-hired on the spot eh. Kasi before, pag-a-apply ako ng trabaho, talagang pahirapan po. As in talaga, ang daming papasukan na butas ng karayong. Pero thankful po talaga ako sa SM Supermarket kasi binigyan po nila ako ng opportunity.
Ano yung mga qualifications na hinahanap ninyo sa mga aplikante?
Siyempre, dapat number one is yung experience. Dapat they have good communication skills, lalong-lalo na for the GSA position because that is a front office position, frontliner yon. Sabi nga natin. Actually, lahat naman, most ng position sa hotel, frontliner naman yan. So, since dapat, yun din yung isang tinitignan ng hiring officer kung mag-fit yung applicant doon sa ina-applyan niyang position. Talagang we are looking forward to the invitation of Peso and Dole when it comes to job fair. Kasi talagang dito kasi, marami kaming, hindi man kami maka-hire on the spot, but we are able to get as much as applicants na later i-review namin and then we can call them back for the second phase or another set of interview.